Hello, everyone. The problem is 1 in 2 Americans suffer from muscular pain. Injuries continue to increase due to a sedentary lifestyle and growing aging population. Now, physical therapists do great work and are essential, but the industry is riddled with problems. First, you receive a limited number of sessions. Wait times to see physical therapists are long, and it's getting worse because there's a severe shortage of therapists. And of course, COVID-19 has made things significantly worse. So patients don't really have what they need to recover from pain effectively. We solve this using the Tenzr Health platform, which enables physical therapists and patients to engage in physical therapy 24/7 on demand by providing real-time guidance on rehab exercises and recovery monitoring via intelligent sensors and population data to promote more effective recovery. So the biggest benefit is patients get guidance 24/7 on demand. We have a two-pronged approach to get customers, online and clinics. Online includes demand generation driven by Facebook AdWords direct to the patient, with the objective of getting our patients to ask their clinicians about Tenzr. So think of it like a traditional pharma marketing strategy. And then we have clinical partnerships with hand surgeons and physical therapists at clinics in North America for patient referrals, such as St. Paul Hospital, Westside, Stanford, UCSF. And this will be our main customer acquisition channel, and we're actively recruiting more clinicians to work with. What's also exciting about this strategy, it leads to kind of a flywheel effect where online patients end up recruiting clinicians onto the platform, and those clinicians end up using Tenzr on the existing and new patients, creating this ultimate growth strategy. So on the business side, when it comes to product, hardware design and design for manufacturing is complete, and most of the energy is actually being spent on transfer to manufacturing. Initial software is also complete, and we're actively selling in Canada. Software is kind of on a 2-week sprint development with new features being released based on client/patient feedback. As for IP protection, we've filed in the US, Canada, and Europe in regular priority track. And as part of the current proceeds of the round we're raising right now, we plan to proceed a Track 1 program to pursue a US patent granted within a year from filing. Wilson Sonsini, our IP counsel. As for the team, we have a management team that has expertise in digital health, wearable technologies, go-to-market in physical medicine, and scaling and exiting medical device startups. So we have 3 executives supported by kind of a core team of engineers, operations, and marketing folks. And any work that's kind of commoditized is outsourced to cost-effective contractors, which are managed by our respective leads in those areas. We've also put together a comprehensive board of advisors composed of experts in hand surgery from Stanford, UCSF, physical therapy, health tech commercialization, and serial entrepreneurs with multiple exits under their belt. So we're at the MVP stage and actually just received a medical device establishment license from Health Canada, which is equivalent to FDA registration in December. And we onboarded our first paying patient subscriber this past month. We're, at the moment, only onboarding select customers because we're operating with high cost, low volume devices. The plan really is to ramp up production using proceeds from our current note to meet market demand and enable full commercial launch in Q2 2021 in British Columbia, Canada. And once we've onboarded over 100 patients by the end of Q2 and submitted our paperwork to the FDA, we plan to open up our new round of financing of $2.5 million for US expansion, with the goal of serving 1,000 patients in year 1 of a commercial launch, onboarding 25 therapists to the platform, which will then trigger us raising our Series A to scale beyond that. So, quick overview of the MSK industry for people who are not that familiar. You kind of have your 40,000 brick and mortar physical therapy clinics that you walk in person. So that's kind of the status quo. And then you have digital health startups such as Kaya Health, Sword Health, Hinge Health, Recovery One, Omada. They're doing fantastic work, and they're focused on preventing back and knee pain from worsening to the point that it needs physical therapy or surgical intervention, and hence sell that to self-insured employers who carry the intervention risk for these employees. We instead are helping patients who do need physical therapy. You've broken your hand, you need to go into the clinic. That's where we come and help. And our goal in 5 years is really to become the branded category leader in digital physical therapy for critical joint injuries, hand, wrist, elbow, shoulder, ankle, and really facilitate the next generation of physical therapy with kind of superior clinical insights, due to our unique validated sensing tech and observations from our large database on rehab recovery data. And upon our exit strategy, the many exit opportunities based on M&A with either traditional medical companies or consumer health companies that are moving to the digital health space. And please check out the deck for the logos of all those companies identified. Thank you.